Muling tinira ni Senador Antonio Trillanes ang war on drugs ni Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte.
Ginawa niya yan sa isang event ng United Nations sa Austria. Ipinresinta ni Trillanes ang ilang talumpati ni Duterte na magpapatunay daw na isang fentanyl addict ang Pangulo. Questionable rin daw ang libo-libong napatay sa kampanya kontra iligal na droga. Hirit pa niya, may nagaganap na state-sponsored killings sa bansa.
Can you imagine a president of any country who would actually cite the deaths of his own people from summary executions as an accomplishment? Remember, these deaths include those merely suspected of being drug pushers who were not given a day in court to prove their innocence, or even if guilty, were no longer arrested as our laws dictate.
Sinagot naman ng isang supporter ng Pangulo ang mga pahayag ni Trillanes. Giit niya, mali ang mga impormasyong ibinibigay ng senador. Pero giit ni Trillanes, mismong sa Office of the President galing ang kanyang datos.
I believe the senator is not giving us the right figure. He is falsely leading us to believe that what he has is right.
Para sa iba pang balita at impormasyon, mag-subscribe lamang po sa news5.com.ph because we're always on.